Assalamualaikum. Hope everyone is fine. Now I'm at the best place of this earth, which is Masjid Nabawi, where all the Muslim wants to come again and again, at least once in a life. Alhamdulillah, it was my chance to come here for the second time. But the thing is, I want to make this video. Why am I making this video in English? So most of the people will benefit from it, and so they can plan their journey. Today I will be explaining how to set your journey, how to make your journey easy for you, because most of the people, they cannot come here just because of money. They don't have enough money to do their Umrah, to do their ticket and other stuff. First of all, I will tell you some news, which is if you are living in another country or you have a visa for another country and you want to do Umrah at the same time, so it's better you can book your ticket through Flynas airline or Saudi airline. There are two airlines. One is Flynas, one is Saudi airline. For example, I'm living in Turkey, I want to go to Pakistan, or I'm in Pakistan, I have a visa for Turkey. I will book a ticket instead of normal Pegasus, normal Turkish airline or any other airline. I will choose Flynas or Saudi airline. What will be the benefit? For sure they will take me to Saudi, then they will come to my destination. But meanwhile, they are giving you an opportunity that if you are going to do it, you can get 4-day stay free of cost without any charges, and you can perform your Umrah. So it means you will reach your destination and you will perform Umrah before going there. Subhanallah. This was the first criteria to do Umrah in a cheap way. The second one, now Saudi government have opened a new type of visa, which is called family visa. If you have any relative living in Saudi, it's not necessary it should be a relative. It can be any friend, it can be any person you know. Okay, so you can ask them, they will apply a visa on their behalf, and they will give you a document. Through that document you can apply your 1-year multi-entry visa. So you will have a document which costs, I think, around 35 Riyal. So in one document you have multiple names, you can have your family, all the family on that document, and you can travel separately. That's not a problem. So for one document it's 35 Riyal nowadays, and you can find someone who can apply. Just ask them to apply for your family visa, and they will give you a document. Take that document to embassy or apply online through your embassy, and they will charge you in Pakistani rupees around 23 or 30,000, and you will have 1 year maximum validity of visa, which multiple entry, but you will have each stay will be maximum 3 months. So these were the types of visa where you can get, regardless of the ordinary visa which we get. Even the ordinary visa is too easy nowadays. You can apply online and it will be for 90 days, not before you have to apply, you have to specify the dates, and they will tell you, oh, you have 25 days or 21 days. Now you can have visa for 90 days. It's for sure. All the Umrah visas for 90 days. Okay, this video was about how to get visa, how to make your Umrah in a cheap way, how to get your visa in a cheap way. I will upload another video in which I will explain, if you don't have enough money to be here to book hotel, because in Ramadan all the hotels, all the accommodation, they are like 10 times expensive than the normal days. So in the next video, inshallah, I will be explaining, or maybe I will upload that video before this, in which I will explain the procedure, how to make your Umrah cheaper and less expensive. Take care, have a good day. Inshallah, I pray that all the Muslims will be accepted here. May Allah give all the Muslims chance to come here, come in Mecca and perform one Umrah at least. Thank you very much. To come here and come in the life again and again.